Hello everyone, my name is Pablo, and this is Metamorphosis. Starting from the core concept, waste is not just the bad stuff we dispose of, it is a key category for understanding culture values. These books explore how we struggle to redeem what we've cast aside. As a child of movement, my personal background have helped shaping this conflict between consumption and preservation, define the core inquiry of these books. Coming from the books that inspire my projects, the tale of a man turned into refuse. What if it is not a man, but an entire culture that has quietly turned into waste? If culture can ascend into waste, then waste may yet ascend into culture. Moving on into the site illustration. I have captured a double-decker tram cut through a busy wet market. It is a scene of messy contract where things arrive, depart, and leave marks behind. Marks we all call waste. The contrasting color and the opened-up wall of the site's buildings give a different perspective. It's like how insects and animals might see the world differently than us in colors. I found some abandoned chopsticks around the site, and I used them to make these models. It inspired me to turn waste planning into architecture. The collage tried to give a message of waste is not merely trash. It is the mirror of culture. It is a face that's staring back at us, waiting for rebirth. The chosen site, NU Evangelistic Mission Hong Kong Church, is located in Northpoint, Hong Kong. The area of the site, it is mostly female dominated, and it is in the range of age 40 to 64, or even above. The site exterior has a very interesting building structure. For example, it's inspired from the Noah's Ark and the wave of the ocean. There's many staircases inside the buildings. It also creates a very interesting elevation. And here's some existing plan for different use of the area of the buildings. And for the inhabitants, I did some observation of the peoples. They help to give an understanding of the neighborhood, of the daily life, of the lifestyle. They help to understand, to define the neighborhood. These characters helps to imagine what's the possibility of the future. The flows of inhabitants shows the daily movement of the peoples. By understanding that, it helps to understand different people's needs. Moving on to precedent studies. The artist Bernard Pras, he liked to turn a famous painting to geometry, then collect waste to match it. It is fascinating of him collecting different waste and turn it into a material, placing it into different perspective, and at the end, a masterpiece. He have a vision that we should all appreciate. The Eco Arc in Taipei demonstrate how waste can be a building blocks. Built from poly bricks made from recycled bottles. It is movable environmental miracle. It proves that pollution can become tomorrow's solution. The Cinerolium in London, built by volunteers from reclaimed material, turned a forgotten petrol station into a magical cinema. I like that the creativity and the community that has joined the process of building this masterpiece. And I think I want to integrate this idea into my project communities. Under the influence of global markets, Hong Kong is losing its unique character, and with it, the time-tested ecological practice of the older generation. I want to aim to address that. I want to reviving traditional wisdom. The vision is to counter a society trained to discard and upgrade, to resist the system built for speed. To cherish an object is to honor its history.